Welcome to Wealth Dynamics. Wealth Dynamics is a program which gives you greater insight into creation of wealth. And we have a Wealth Dynamics weekend coming up in August, which is sponsored by QTV and by the Excel Foundation in Indonesia. And today we are indeed lucky to have with us Dave Rogers, who's the head coach with Excel Foundation.
Pleasure to be here with you, Poonam.
Yeah, it's wonderful, really awesome to have you here.
Yes.
We wanted to know a little more about the Wealth Dynamics weekend from your perspective.
Okay, my role right now is the chief coach of the Excel Results Foundation. And one of the roles that I play in the Wealth Dynamics weekend is supporting and helping people better understand their wealth profile.
Okay.
It is a absolutely energetic, enthusiastic, fun-filled weekend where people really start to understand their natural path to their greatest wealth creation, so that they're starting to do things they really love to do, and they're surrounding themselves with people that are all doing what they love to do, and thereby creating some super high performance teams that really can go out there and make a whole lot of wealth, and then figure out some great ways to be able to give that back to make a difference to a whole lot of people throughout Asia Pacific and
in
around the
our
world.
previous episodes, we spoke about how wealth is not about the money and it's more about the people. And in which context would you say is all about creating wealth?
Well, again, once you create wealth, then you've got to figure out some ways to really put it to use. And it's been fascinating because I guess just the last couple of days we saw, again, the second richest man in the world.
Warren Buffett.
Warren Buffett giving away all of his wealth to
Absolutely.
the first richest man, to Bill Gates. So this is really about, once you have money and you're able to understand some of the rules of the game, you play that game, and then what it ultimately will come down to is, where can you really allow that money to energize to be able to make a difference in people's lives? And I think that's what's so exciting about going to the Wealth Dynamics here in Jakarta, is there are people that are understanding some of the rules. Some of them are doing it well, some of them aren't yet.
Yes.
By
Yes.
learning the rules of the game even better, though, they can create more wealth. And then one of the underlying ideas, though, is that you create more, find wonderful ways to be able to give it back. And part of that could be through education programs, part of that could be through health initiatives, part of it could be to housing. And that's what's going to allow the world to be able to really transform. And it's going to be through the powers of the entrepreneur.
So the Wealth Dynamics weekend is transformational.
Absolutely. I've seen people come to the weekend and not be clear at all what they want to do, what they're good at. And just by understanding their profile and then being in group dynamics where they've got their natural tendencies come out, and then seeing that maybe that person that they never spoken to, by maybe doing something with them, they're both doing things they love to do. And companies can be created during the weekend, and they have been created during the weekend.
Yes, that was mentioned, in fact, in one of the last episodes. But what is amazing is that it is more interactive than a lecture.
Oh, this is certainly
workshop.
not a lecture. We're not going to be sitting in our seats writing down notes. It's a full-on activity-filled weekend where you're put in environments where it's going to stretch you. It's going to allow you to feel a little uncomfortable, because that's what real life is about. It's being in those situations where sometimes you have that little shaking and nervousness. Then that's what we want to do, is to allow you to feel
The
some
heart pounds.
heart pounds,
It's a
the
roller coaster
adrenaline,
ride.
the roller coaster, and it just allows yourself to really come out, and then to be able to see other people, to be able to see how you can add value and perhaps leverage off of and with other people.
What is leverage?
Leverage, in the term for wealth and wealth creation, is really, in the Wealth Dynamics profile, there's two major ways to create leverage. Our friends who are more mechanical, more systems driven, are really looking to create a system so that they can leverage through the system. Often these people ask the question, how can this be done without me? I'll use an example. Ray Kroc, McDonald's.
Yes.
He's not sitting there flipping every hamburger.
Absolutely.
What he has done, though, is develop an incredible system that works without him. That's the strategy for leverage for someone who is like a mechanic or a lord, or somebody who's like an accumulator like Warren Buffett.
So your business runs without your being present
Exactly.
at every minute of the time.
The system is put there. It's always improving. They're always asking questions. Everybody becomes part of that culture of improving the system. On the other side, the way that people will leverage are people like Martha Stewart or Oprah.
Yes.
And that's about magnifying. That's about building the brand. That's about having that star attraction, which is a very different way to leverage. It allows creating an attraction that everyone wants to come and be part of. And that's a very different star appeal. And that's another way of leverage. So depending on which profile or which natural path that you have, your natural tendencies, maybe you should be focusing on building the system, or maybe you should be building the brand. If you don't know which one you are, how are you going to know which one to be focusing on?
That's a good question.
That's right. So that's one of the things on the weekend, when you find out what your profile is, then you're able to be in, we call more in the flame, doing what you love to do, and becoming more attractive just by doing what you love to do.
Attraction is a very nice term, attractive term.
Well, law of attraction. In fact, it's that term that's becoming more well known around the world. The power of attraction. How we attract. And how we attract is often the way that we're talking to ourselves and the way that we talk to other people, the way we communicate. This power of attraction is something that it is a state of being often. That Warren Buffett right now doesn't have to advertise anymore. People just come to him.
Yes, you look at him on the TV, in the media, he's surrounded by people. And now it's not merely of people what they can get from him, but what they can give to whatever his stand is now at this moment.
And I think one of the key elements there is also this passion for learning.
Yes.
Learning and sharing. I think that's what's really been fascinating at the Wealth Dynamics programs I've been to, and I've been to most of them all around the Asia Pacific,
Yes.
is that it's fascinating to see 70-year-old people there, working with 17-year-old people, and seeing that the 70-year-old can learn a lot from that 17-year-old. Similarly, that 17-year-old, if they can be part of a team with a 70-year-old, wow, what a phenomenal way to work together.
You're bridging across generations.
Cross generations, cross technology, cross energy, and it's just absolutely incredible the type of energy you see when you see a young, youthful 70-year-old. And you see rather thoughtful, pensive 17-year-old. And it's just fantastic to see how that process goes through during the Wealth Dynamics, so that people really start to understand what they love to do and being able to do that more often.
This talk about energy and bridging across generations and how you can bring a new insight into what people do.